when you not respond.
When you not respond to your girl, I think say yo, you put you know you teach her a lesson. Rascal. I see it is
reaction.
Yo, viewers and subscribers, it's about TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss. And I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. People, this video right here, 450, Delulu. It came out 8 hours ago. I tried doing the video. My camera said, hey boy, you know, put that video today. But, me I tell you this in the camera, I do that video right now. But, before the video begins, more leave a like on the video, people. I've never seen a reaction video trending yet, ever at all in the Caribbean. A Caribbean reaction, I should say. Maybe be more specific. Someone want to like that video so the video get trending right back at the Bumbuckland music video. One up at the backup argument. But, more want to see a reaction video go trending from a yard, man. So like your reaction, no dog. Drop a random comments to the video, recommend to more people, no dog. You see me and say, yeah man, I go see what I go on still. 450, Delulu. We think we see that whole part teaser from the song, yeah? You see me and say, what if I go TikTok, make about it? You know what? Let's chatting. Run through me chat to Bumbuckland much. God!
Nobody know one day, girl.
Alright.
Don't be delusional.
Alright. The dog start to say, yo, nobody know one them girl. You start be delusional. Yeah, share that with me. The reaction boss. Run tune.
That's crazy.
Mount a man, she fuck you, don't want know.
What?
Mount a cock, she suck, she sues that crow.
The amount of man your girl get body by, you don't want to know. But the amount of rooster she suck, the amount of cock she suck, she gonna start crow like a chicken. A blood clot. What else?
But she will vex if you call her whore.
Yeah.
You say, yeah, girl, I see it not a thing. Last
She ain't not see it, but hold on. She gonna vex if you call her a imagine, you know, be a man body. If you call her who she vex. You buy her a big Benz. But 450 I gonna tell you what she do. Talk your talk.
night, I come and knock up fishy jing. Best believe she swallow everything. She say my sperms carry iron and zinc.
So 450 come in your girl cup and she drink it and she swallow everything. No, hold on.
Best believe she swallow everything.
Yeah.
She say my sperms carry iron and zinc.
Alright.
That coulda never be the girl your wife in car.
She getting her vitamins from the dark sperms. Me Bumbuckland. And that you get your wife up. And that they get your wife up, my general. But a big man meds. You eat that, you know? You eat that. Go on.
As anytime me bucket the pussy can spring.
Yeah.
Me a kid in a me crib a bag of twerking.
Yeah.
No surfing like a brother that are the first thing.
Don't ever Bumbuckland surfing a girl. You see me I say, you look like idiot. You could have swear from now to tomorrow say you nah get bun. And she a suck your friend wood. Remember me tell her that. Don't do it. You idiot. Run tune.
Nobody know one day, girl.
Alright.
Don't be delusional.
Don't do it.
Somewhere she have a next man where she go get the pussy to when
You see when I angle again. Don't be delusional. But not tell her that fuck your girl. And you care nothing about it because you don't know. Alright.
you not respond. Ah, when you buy your house and land.
Yeah.
I swear when you girl and she will never fuck by you. You'll never know what.
It no matter what you do, brother. You can buy a house, land, truck, car, bus. You're delusional if she not gonna give you a bun, my friend. She'll give you a bun with the man who wash your car.
Till a nigga come call you.
Yeah.
Show you a video with your girl and suck time on. I say go, I just part of life, but you for
And the time where alone she go suck, you know, she go suck Tom, Dick and Harry Wood. Don't be delusional, my general. What 450 say that? Talk 450. What you say?
I show you a video with your girl and suck time on. I say go, I just part of life,
Yeah.
but you for know which bitch you a call your wife.
As him say, a part of life. But you have to just know which girl your wife up. You see me I say? You have to just know which of them your wife up there because the whole of them out here, none are better than none. Go and talk your talk.
Cause some of them unorganized.
Yeah.
If you see body count to that traumatized. She skill her fuck is like she.
You would have mad if you see how much girl them man. Yo, if them get to write down every man with them crack, you'd have got insane. You'd have blow up like a bomb. Maybe blood clot. Go on, attack it.
Man for life. If she tell her go left, you better try go right. She say, one man that can't suffice. But me nah cause come involved in it.
Alright then. But hold on. If you tell her if you go left, you better go blood clean, right? Because she will set you and make her born a man rob you. You can't trust them girl, you the original youth. You cannot do it. That's not healthy. That's not healthy. Talk.
Hey, nobody
That boy a idiot. I cannot put him shirt.
no one there can. Don't be delusional. Somewhere she
Mama, she did put him shirt. I can't want tattoo about me bumbo.
have a next man where she go get the pussy to when you're not respond. Ah, when your boy
The man that get a tattoo of Joe the big old pan in forehead. But hold on. Someone out in a dog. Right? This one dogs. Listen.
Nobody no one there can. Don't be delusional. Somewhere she have a next man where she
Somehow she have a next man. But what I want to really hear now at that party, right? That's all. Listen when my story. Let's listen to the party. Yeah, listen.
go get the pussy to when you're not respond.
When you not respond to your girl, I think say yo, you put you teach her a lesson. Rascal. The sweetest fuck she'll give me. You think you teach her a lesson? And the sweetest fuck she get in her life from my next man. You idiot? You can't give girl a lesson. You can't punish girl and don't text her back. A pum she having a youth. A pum your girl having a. Rascal, talk it up.
Ah, when your boy are outside and I swear when your girl and she will never fuck by you. You'll never know till a nigga come.
Brother, you know no bumbo clad sense, me general. I don't want to see that part of it. You know no sense.
Girl tricky, man tricky, yeah.
Girl tricky, man.
Most of them see me, yeah. No make that one the fool, yeah, cause she pretty, yeah.
Exactly that. Not because she look better than certain girl. Don't make she fool you. Don't do it. She look pretty, you think say, oh man, a liar girl that she not give the post to a bagger man. And them girl I run like a blood clot trailer engine truck. 100 miles them a drive, I'm there.
Mount a man she fuck, you don't want know. Mount must still love them do. Just try know. Nobody know the next man when she go there when your girl and she will never fuck by you.
Remember when go party make a song called Girl Clown? Perfect bumbo clot example right there, so. A bumbo clot shirt print out, my wife. Why that girl like I shouldn't say so? But I be sure print out say my wife and then I get a Jody big on your forehead. And if a girl clown. Pass girl clown to blood clot.
You'll never know till a nigga come call you. Show you a video with your girl suck time. Yo say, yeah, get to swallow everything. She say, I'm a spray kitty pussy tail spring. Me a kid in a make you.
Hold on. Somebody said in that a video of him girl suck time. But peep the blood clot tattoo. Jody with 2 heart. You idiot. You a big idiot.
Go back at twerking, no swerving like a brother that's the first thing.
My boy head I hurt him right now, dog. He just sing girl suck time with dog. Him head I hurt him, but people, your thoughts on the video, people. Drop it down below in the comment section. You see me I say, I not like Javi Embassy, big up yourself. Weekday big up yourself. 450 big up yourself. You see me I say. But enough one of us live that life for real, dog. Man out there a living idiot. Man out there a living girl clown. Someone know you something. I don't know how someone get girl to blood clot. If me talk too long, I get mad at my blood clot. So if you know what me sign out, look at that drink I hold like that cup. Yo, big up yourself, yeah, man. Russian boss, we sign out. See me I say, big up your girl for credit. My God.